Tinini press conference ni muli shungka tabu kesangmani zorau edisi hafang chini bigra khangra rogno blanket eba kombol bagnani kaisa scheme jeng nahar gaise এবং this is the first time prothombar 8000 blanket jeng chini edc ni bigra khangra rong bagi jeng bagnan thangi dongo ludhiana ni phainayo kombol এবং maharaj shoh chini entire executive committee ni borogrok jeng blanket no jachai khlaika chini financial ability ni bisingo jeta chungboto chini asik ability kahamia financially abuni bisingo pano jeng chuktei jeng nukha a quality no jeng bachai khika sample copy bo jeng nara khaite 8000 blankets jeng first stage chini borong bagi jeng bagna hite oro kuno kabang kebo kicha mangkha kebo haingkha a dispute thangya ni bagi very tactfully jeng 8000 blanket no 587 village committee ni bisingo divide khai naika প্রত্যেকটা village committee ni bagi 13 ta kombol jeng bagi man hoyse and this blanket is going to be double mo blanket kintu single blanket ya borok khorok nei kaham klai chummanani moto blanket jeng bagna heche so 13 blankets per vc kai jeng calculate klai nika it comes around about 7600 something fine and remaining the blanket tongmani our headquarter jeng toninai प्रत्येक zonal फाइनाइ 13 तारिख December बेलाय चिनी बागी कथार कैसा साला दिनो चिनी महाराजा किरीट विक्रम मानिकने आचाइमानी साल ओ साल न रगैछन् खातुम खाजानि बिसिंगतै सेरिमोनियल celebration ni बिसिंगतै जों म ब्लैंकेट न प्रत्येकटा zonal officer जों बागनै symbolic. So in the first stage, every zonal 200 blankets, tini 10 tarik, tini bising no thang sogi baine, এবং 13 tarik chini local representative, eba executive member, chief executive member, deputy chief executive member, chairman, honorable MDCs, borongni leadership, borongni presence, symbolic, jeng blanket bagnai 13 tarik December. Chini thei thangjanai bobagra kirit bikram manikoni achainan sal omo chini mo announcement ni bagino chungtini mo press conference khayo এবং press conference chini honorable MDC mochang dhirendra de borma bo oro উপস্থিত হয়েছে আমবাই
যত পঞ্চায়েত স্যার অরনা ফাইজাঙ্গাই আবো জোনাল অফিসার
zonal office so symbolic bagnai chengi dinai aise mo inaugural distribution abun ulo pratyek sub zonal lo thang sogine then they will collect from there from village committee people will collect from the sub zonals. Thank you.